All right, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our trainer will cover pre-call intelligence gathering. So get ready to take some notes, and let's jump right in.
All right, so a quick disclaimer, we're going to be looking at a bunch of tools and platforms here, and we do not have any association with those platforms, nor do they have an association with us, and you shouldn't assume that we are formally endorsing them or that they have any endorsement of us. We're simply pointing out some very useful tools that you can check out to make the job of intelligence gathering for cold calling and specifically getting past the gatekeeper a little bit easier. So the first one we're going to look at is LinkedIn Sales Navigator. This is a heck of a tool for the B2B space. LinkedIn by itself is already pretty cool. You can find out a lot about people and where they work and what position they hold, find out a lot about companies, but there's usually a little bit of a limit to what you can discover based on your network size and how many degrees you are away from this person versus that person. And even searches have limitations with a free LinkedIn account. But with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can do some serious deep searching and find out a whole lot about a whole lot of people. You can do searches that bring up all sorts of people with a specific role or responsibility or title or in a specific industry. You can focus based on company size. You can get all sorts of potential leads from LinkedIn, and you can send them in-mail messages. So you don't have to be a connection of theirs in order to communicate with them. Now, LinkedIn is great for that purpose alone. You can have some cold emailing or cold messaging success there, but in the context of cold calling, LinkedIn is great because you can send a message and therefore have something to refer to when you're speaking to the gatekeeper, to say that you're following up on this, that, or the other thing. So LinkedIn Sales Navigator is great for reaching out, but also it's great for gathering that intel on the people who work in companies, what roles they hold, which can be golden when you're trying to speak to the gatekeeper and use things like first names and knowing who the decision maker is that you're trying to reach. So LinkedIn Sales Navigator, definitely something to check out. Another one here, UpLead. UpLead, as it says in the headline, B2B prospecting with 95% data accuracy. They have some pretty good, up-to-date databases of information here. A lot of databases that you'll happen across have some kind of outdated information, and that's allegedly not the case with UpLead. You can grab names, first name, last name. You can figure out what their title or their role is at the company, and many times you'll even find things like direct phone numbers and direct emails for those people, which means potentially, depending on how good the information is, you could skip the gatekeeper, but at a minimum, you can find out a lot about the people who work there, which you can refer to in your conversation with the gatekeeper, which, as we said, is golden. So this is a very cool tool that you could potentially invest in to help with your pre-call intelligence gathering. Similar story here with Zoom Info. Zoom Info is a great way to get some good inside scoops on the companies that you're going after and the decision makers you're trying to reach. Same story as the previous one. People's names, their role and title in the company, and in many cases a direct line and a direct email to them. So great for gathering intelligence, and as you can see, they've won some awards in the past. This is a good, reputable company that you can certainly check out and use them for your intelligence gathering need. Another similar one here is Lucia for B2B contacts, B2B leads. They've got a pretty good reputation. They claim to have 81% accuracy, and that is the highest in the industry, which is pretty impressive if it's true. And they are all good to go with the GDPR, CCPA, and other compliance issues that you might face when you're engaging in phone sales, which is very important to keep in mind. They also give you some free contacts that you don't get charged for on a monthly basis. But once again, same basic stuff as the other ones. You're basically getting access to a database that you can search and filter and poke around and find names, positions, titles, and in many cases, direct lines. So very, very good stuff to have in your back pocket before you pick up the phone and get into a conversation with the gatekeeper. Now, this one is cool. Lead Feeder. This is not necessarily a database for reaching out and finding decision makers in companies. At least that's not its primary purpose. Lead Feeder is able to tell you what companies had employees visit your website. Okay, so it gets into the anonymous traffic that's visiting your website, and it can identify when that traffic came from a company computer and what company that was. It actually identifies which company had an employee come to your website, which, of course, what's that mean? That means they're interested. Or at least you can assume they're interested, and you can refer to that when you're speaking to the gatekeeper when you finally call them. It has some cool automation and filtering that filters out ISP traffic and leaves you just with actual companies. Right? So this is purely B2B stuff that you're left with, and a good system for scoring and helping you figure out which ones you should prioritize. And you can search for decision makers in their database once you've determined that that company has in fact visited you. And boom, when you're talking to that gatekeeper, you've got something to talk about. You can say, hey, so-and-so was interested in our such and such solution. And you're telling the truth, because guess what? They visited your website. And you've got the proof right here. And so this is a great, great icebreaker and a great thing that you can say or refer to when you're speaking to the gatekeeper and trying to explain why you want to reach the decision maker that you're asking for. Finally, we've got Rocket Reach, which has a very large database, as you can see, 450 million professionals across 17 million companies worldwide, trusted by 7.9 million users, etc., etc. And they've got search capabilities. They've also got a Chrome extension, so you can actually conveniently use that from within your browser when you're checking out a company or checking out listings for a company on LinkedIn or Crunchbase and so on and so forth. And they've got lots of integrations to, connect it to your CRM and all that good stuff. Obviously, it's working for sales. It works for other things as well, but we're interested in this one, okay? Trying to get good, real-time, up-to-date information, phone numbers, links to social media so you can learn more about the decision makers that you're trying to reach, and so on and so forth. This is all just golden, good information to have before you contact the company and to get into a conversation with the gatekeeper. Here's the deal. Okay, a lot of these companies they all do the same thing. Okay, some of them might be better than others. Some of them might have bigger databases than others. The general idea is the same, though. This is your chance to succeed where others fail, because most people do not do pre-call intelligence gathering. Many of your competitors skip that. They're either too lazy to do it, or they're too demotivated because they're tired of getting rejected by the gatekeeper. They just want to get as many done in the day as possible and just get it over with and log it, and clock out. If you take this seriously and do pre-call intelligence collection every time you're going to reach out to a decision maker, you will be at a significant advantage versus the competition. You will be able to differentiate yourself much better, and like we learned in the previous lesson, that's half the battle right there. If you can differentiate, you vastly increase the chances of getting through the gatekeeper and to your decision maker. So take this aspect of the battle with the gatekeeper seriously. Collect intelligence before you make the call.